Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to show you the product assembly of a WH-ENDTAB-TWO. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For step 1, you require parts A, the board, 15 parts 1, the screws, 3 parts E, and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you require parts B, 15 parts 1 the screws, 3 parts E. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we require our previous assembled parts A and part C. Let's go ahead and install now. For the next step, we require our previous assembled parts B and parts D. Let's assemble now. For the last step, we'll be using part number 2. This is the rubber feet. Let's assemble now. Thank you for watching the product assembly of our WH-ENDTAB-TWO. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our products and more of our assemblies. Thank you.